Jerry Jones has just relocated to Raleigh on a new job. After setting up his computer, he was having major issues with the computer. Jerry's coworker, Bill, recommended Deedoc Computers, the doctors of computers. Deedoc Computer Consulting specializes in virus and malware removal, hardware repairs, laptop repairs, networks and security solutions, data backup and recovery, software repairs. Viruses and malware are quickly becoming the largest problem in the battle to keep your computer running smoothly. Hardware repairs can save you hundreds of dollars on the price of buying new and the headache of transferring files. Laptop repairs is our specialty. Data backup and recovery. What is more important than your data? We will retrieve your lost data and put a smile back on your face. Jerry has a smile on his face after visiting Deedoc Computers. His computer is now running perfectly. With over 20 years of IT experience in this location, give Deedoc Computer Consulting a call today. We also do home services around the Carolinas and remote services across the country. Visit our website